So I'm Jade, Business Development Executive from Basis. I'm part of the development marketing team at Basis, and our job role is to encourage people into the agricultural industry and encourage people to go on our Basis courses and become Basis members. Basis are really excited to be part of the Careers Corner. We recognise the need for new people joining the industry. Agriculture is an ever-changing industry, especially now more than ever. There's going to be new openings for all different types of roles that a lot of people don't recognise are there, and an event like CropTec is that perfect opportunity to come along and find out the real variety of roles that are available. Basis will be hosting 2 seminars on the day. The morning seminars will be case study type speakers, so we'll have people from the industry who are really experienced, who will be giving their story of their career journey, how they've got to where they are. And then the afternoon seminars will be more recruitment and training based, so we've got some experienced recruitment consultants who'll be there on the day, and in between those 2 seminars we'll have a CV and interview clinic. So you'll be able to have one-to-ones with a recruitment expert who will be able to look over your CV on the day and tell you what sort of questions might come up in an interview that you're going for. So at Basis, we're a charity-based organisation, and we are all about supporting people into the agricultural industry and supporting them on that journey once they take that initial step into agriculture. So we've got trainee membership, which would be for anyone looking to take that initial step into the agricultural industry, and foundation courses that will be a really good starter. And then for obviously anyone that's already a Basis member, we'd love them to come to our stand and speak to us about advanced courses that we've got to offer and that continued progression through agriculture and where you can go next.